The Yamaha DT 125 represents the possible return of one of Yamaha's most iconic dual-sport motorcycles. Known for its lightweight design, off-road capability, and everyday practicality, the DT 125 has always been a favorite among beginner riders and adventure enthusiasts. For 2026, this legendary name is imagined as a modern machine that blends classic simplicity with updated technology. The original DT 125 built its reputation on durability and versatility. It was designed to perform both on city streets and off-road trails, making it one of the most flexible motorcycles of its time. The 2026 version continues this philosophy with a design that focuses on agility, control, and real-world usability. Powering the modern DT 125 is expected to be a 125 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, likely updated with fuel injection for improved efficiency and emissions. While earlier versions used two-stroke engines, a modern version would focus on cleaner and more reliable performance while still delivering responsive acceleration suitable for both urban riding and light off-road use. In terms of design, the 2026 DT 125 features a classic dual-sport look. A high-mounted front fender, slim body panels, and spoked wheels give it a rugged and purposeful appearance. The upright riding position and wide handlebars provide excellent control, especially on uneven terrain or narrow trails. The chassis is expected to use a lightweight steel frame, combined with long travel front forks and a rear monoshock suspension. This setup allows the bike to absorb bumps and handle rough roads with ease, while maintaining stability on paved surfaces. With an estimated weight of around 110 to 120 kilograms, the bike remains easy to manage for riders of all experience levels. Braking performance would likely include front and rear disc brakes with ABS, ensuring better control and safety during braking. Modern touches such as LED lighting and a digital instrument display could also be included, giving the bike a more contemporary feel. One of the biggest advantages of the DT 125 is its versatility. It is designed to handle daily commuting, weekend trail rides, and everything in between. Its high ground clearance and durable construction make it suitable for a variety of riding conditions. Overall, the 2026 Yamaha DT 125 is a perfect example of how a classic motorcycle can be reimagined for modern riders. It offers simplicity, reliability, and the freedom to explore both city streets and off-road paths. This is Auto Reviews, bringing you the latest vehicles that combine heritage with modern innovation. Disclaimer: this video is created for informational and educational purposes only. The 2026 Yamaha DT 125 is not officially confirmed and may be based on concepts or expectations. Specifications and features may vary depending on official releases. Auto Reviews is not affiliated with Yamaha Motor Company. Always verify official information before making any purchase decision, ride responsibly, and follow all traffic laws and safety regulations.